Good morning. How may I help you?
Hi, I was trying to...
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Sammy. I am with... How are you doing this morning?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing quite all right. So we have services in packing, safety, janitorial, and MRO needs. Do you guys currently use anyone to supply your daily products for bulk orders or pricing?
Yeah, so we use a couple of different companies.
Okay, understood. If you do have a moment, I would like to tell you a little bit more about us and see about getting you an email sent with more detailed information about our company to see if maybe we could be in the running for a potential partnership.
Sure.
Fantastic. So our company manages everything from maintaining at least once a month supply to utilizing our personal fleet to get it delivered without delay for local companies. We provide fast service up to same day, bulk pricing, which saves time and money, and free shipping on qualifying orders.
Okay.
How do you guys currently order packaging, safety, or MRO? Is that through online or do you have to call?
Usually we put in purchase orders to the different vendors, and we kind of just manage the inventory ourselves right now. We kind of follow like a just-in-time philosophy here. So we pretty much just get stuff when it gets down to a certain level.
Okay. So you notice, hey, we've only got 4 rolls of the cellophane left. You should probably grab some of that kind of deal.
Correct. Yep.
Alrighty, understood. So I would still like to get that email sent out to you because, again, we would like to be in the run-in to maybe be on that fun little list of vendors.
Sure.
What's a good email for you?
.com.
Oh, if I could spell, goodness. All right, at .com?
Correct.
Fantastic. And would you have any availability for a quick Zoom with one of my directors to do virtual handshake, introduce, and kind of discuss this a little bit more in detail one-on-one?
Sure.
Fantastic. I see that we are in Eastern Standard Time, correct?
Yes.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure. I don't like to assume anything. So let's see. Pull up next week. How are Thursdays for you typically?
It should be open.
Alrighty. And are you a morning or an afternoon kind of guy?
Let's do morning if you could.
Absolutely. I have a 9:30 available.
Perfect.
Fantastic. So I will go ahead and get an email sent out to you that will have a little bit more information, and it will also have a link for that Zoom meeting to discuss this with one of my directors. And just so they're aware, what's the typical turnaround time for your packaging orders?
It could be, in a pinch, same day, but typically about a day or two.
Okay, 1 to 2 business days. Unless there's, that, we got to get this done right now.
Yeah, exactly.
Alrighty, I can relate to that. And do you have a direct extension or anything for, in case, we have to call you back and kind of play schedule shuffle?
Sure. My direct number is, so if you just call the main line and then ask for, that'll get through to me.
Fantastic. Alrighty. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, you know what? If I could just stop getting a hold of myself. May I confirm your last name? Okay. See, again, did not want to assume. I saw it in the email, but you know what they say about assuming. And we are purchasing manager, head of purchasing.
Yeah, materials manager.
Materials manager. Okay. It makes me put something in that box.
Okay.
Alrighty. So, now that I've got all that said and done, I'm going to go ahead and get that email out to you. Again, it will have a little bit more information. It'll have your Zoom link. So when my director of sales contacts you via that link, you'll just go ahead and join, and we'll do that virtual handshake, discuss this a little bit, and see if we can't get on that list.
Perfect. Sounds good.
Alrighty. Thank you so much for your time today. I definitely do appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, you as well.
Thank you.
All right. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.